Hi there. Let's take a look at ICP chart. We will cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, check out the short-term trend, so you can learn how to assess the risk of the next price move, even if you're new to chart analysis. From Wyckoff perspective, ICP is currently still within the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. The next stage is the sign of strength that we are waiting to show up. So it seems like the market or the crypto market in specific has surged quite a bit in the past week. But this week, people start to become more cautious because some key economic data is coming out and the US Fed chair is going to make a speech later part this week. So the initial FOMO has died down a little, waiting for the new data to come out. So that's why we're not seeing the price breaking the resistance that we have been talking for weeks. So this 2.8 orange key level still remains the key weekly major resistance. So you see, even with the price surge last week, it wasn't able to break this level. And the major support, it remains the red key level of 2.05. Okay. Remember, this is education content only, not financial advice. So just to look at one more thing before we get to the daily chart and micro view, you can see the volume. It rose to a certain point that you can say at most slightly higher than average. Okay. Of course, it's higher than the past 4 to 5 weeks, but if you look further up, that's not something very prominent. Okay, if we want to see a sign of strength, we would like to have something at least like what we see at the middle of January this year. Okay, when the automatic rally happens. So that's the thing right now. Okay, it's going to be a boring week until tomorrow, and of course, the 28th, when all the economic data and the Fed has said what they want to say. Okay, what they want to say, that's going to change the market. Now, micro view. So a small volume mountain went up, and then you see that huge volume or huge selling, this long wick from above the channel ceiling. So it is still within the small rising channel after bouncing off from the red key level of 2.05 that started in the beginning of the month. But if we zoom out, we can see it is still within this medium long-term downtrend that started way back in February last year. Right? It's already over 18 months. Then it seems like it is recovering, but it still isn't able to challenge the channel ceiling yet. And we already mentioned about these dates in mid-September, mid-October, and eventually all the way to mid-December. What are these dates? If you're new to this is the 2 C's framework. Okay, what are the 2 C's? The first C is continue. Okay, continue what? Continuation of the current short-term trend. Okay, in this case, for ICP, this channel box, okay, this is the short-term trend, that it is still edging upwards. All right, so as of now, it has come down back to below the 2.41 resistance, this dashed line. You see, yesterday, the market or the bulls managed to push the price back to that level. But today, the bears hit it below, and actually it went slightly lower as well. But the volume isn't too bad yet. Okay, so that's why I said it's not big commitment looking at the volume. Just look at what's going to happen in the next 2 days. All right? And having said that, if it continues, okay, meaning no surprising news coming out from the Fed or even China and Europe, where the economic data or the policymakers are going to say something interestingly altogether in this week. And that's where it is going to trade if none of those big economies are announcing something crazy. Okay, so this horizontal line over here, 2.3, and this yellow dash line over here, 2.417, or 2.42 if you want to make it simpler, will be the short-term sideways range, assuming the price or the candle is going to close below the yellow line today. If it closes above, then we have to look at the next resistance of 2.56. Okay, and that gives us a date. Okay, this has passed, so we can move across. This is the 7th of September. All right, so we don't have to wait till the middle of September or even longer. Those are the potential dates that if this trend continues, okay, all the way to challenge that channel ceiling as well as the orange key level. That's the continuation, meaning breaking those resistance or change of trend. The second C is change. I lost that part in the middle. The second C of the 2C's framework is change, meaning it is going to get rejected by those resistance and break the trend support and changing the rising trend to a sideways or maybe even a downtrend. Okay, this line over here, the orange line, if you look to the left all the way back to February this year, it has been the resistance since then. Only for a very short period of time, the price spiked outside of it. Other than that, a large part of the past 6 months, this has been the range. And these supposed to be support back then, late last year and early this year, also shows why this level is so important. Okay, and breaking this means something more significant if the volume sustained. All right, not like the spike over here back in May. It went up quick and then heavy selling happened at the channel ceiling, and then it got strike back all the way to below the orange line over here. Okay, that means the big guys are saying, okay, we're not ready for the climb or ready for the rocket launch yet. Okay, let's go back to the earth for a while. So back to this trend. We talk about September 7th. If the price continues to stay below this yellow line, if it moves up, if it trades upwards between these two, that turns to somewhere near the 19th. Okay, so those are the potential change of directions. Okay, if the bulls can't gain momentum. Of course, the ultimate challenge is this one. Whether it is going to break outside of the downward channel. Finally, right? That's 30th of September. Almost getting into October time. There are multiple instances, but this is the channel, the mid-long-term channel. All right, I want to say mid-term, but it's getting pretty long. It's already 18 months. So that's the picture for ICP. Let me know in the comment whether you think this rising trend is going to last till the end of September, not this month, but all the way till end of September and eventually break outside of the falling channel, or is it going to get rejected even as soon as the end of the week? All right. Remember, you can access this video earlier being a channel member, so join the other members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.